Hello, this is Teresa. Welcome to my 28-day challenge, day 28. Today we're continuing with the upholstery, and the piping here has just about fallen apart. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to work on reinforcing the piping along the edge that my cats have shredded. And then after that, we'll be working on additional padding and some reinforcements all around. So I hope you enjoy. I'd like to take just a moment to interject that this thread that I'm using, both this red thread here and the white thread for the piping, came from large cat litter bags and cat food bags that were chain stitch secured. So we saved these every time we would open up a new bag and put them in this little jar right here. It's been saving for about a year, so we've got plenty. And the container they're in is recycled ice cream also. So both that white and the red. Not so much the white, but we've got plenty. And we use it, it's kind of like a really fine warp cord. So it's very strong and it's good for these heavier tasks where you might want to use some sort of lightweight twiney material. So we're just doing that to tack everything down.